Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to another Vicky's Light. Today we're here at Festival Flea Market. We've been coming here for a few years. Inside here there's also an antique mall. We will have a video with that one separately. We also come here to get my favorite, olives, and we come here to a dollar store. There's also a place that I change the batteries on my watches, and we buy some pretty orchids. I'm gonna change some batteries here. I bought some glasses here, so when I work, I put them on because I use the computer a lot, and they're perfect, perfect. I came to get some coupons. You can get 4 coupons per person, $5 off 20 and $2 off 10 in any booth. We're gonna go to one of my favorite places for the olives. Oh, look how cute. It's so cute. I had a t-shirt like this back in the day. They're so pretty. Oh, they're made in Nepal. He's not here anymore. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I think that it's like an adoption area. So cute. They're for adoption. Rescue. Well, hello. Oh my goodness. What's his name? Boy, look at those beautiful teeth that you have. I can pet him. Oh my gosh, and he's a big guy.
Oh my god,
Ah,
cute.
oh my gosh, how cute. Get oriented with the areas that you have to go and visit. You have streets and avenues. And they have an area for children or young ones to come and play. This is glow in the dark soccer or dodgeball. Nice. Nice. This is really nice. I remember having black lights. Oh my goodness. This is pretty big. Oh. Oh my.
All you guys have to do, grab the ball, put it in the button.
Wow. Really? Let me see. It's like probably compressed air or something. What do I touch here? Oh my god! Wow, yeah. Oh, I feel the compressed air here. Wow. Oh, nice. Spicy. That was nice. They even have areas sectioned off so everyone can have a private party. It's really pretty. We found a lot of good antiques here at great prices. We're gonna have a video dedicated to this antique mall and to other places that we also go to for our antiques. Next is our favorite orchid shop that we've been coming here for a few years. We purchase all of our orchids at a great price. They have more vintage and antique shops and other shops also. Oh my gosh, how cute! Look at how cute this is. These are real pencils. So pretty. So pretty. We're approaching Blooming in America where we get our great prices from Doug always. Hi. How are you? Good. I have my two watches here. I had the batteries replaced a few months ago, but I noticed it this morning that they were stopped. So we brought them back, and they're very honest. So they checked and they changed the batteries. There was no charge, and here we go. We got them again. Oh, how pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Now we're going to the Dollar Tree. You have to exit the Festival Flea Market, and it's on the side right here.
Oh no.
I also follow Do It on a Dime, and she always goes to the dollar stores. So I'm going to see what I can find. Remember that the Dollar Tree is now $1.25. I think that they have some things at $1, but I'm sure that the majority is $1.25 now. Oh, I think that you put a battery here, and then it lights up. Oh, that's interesting. This is cute. Let me see what kind of project I can make. Okay. So I think that they come individual little hearts. There's gotta be a way for me to be able to string it. Let me see what I can come up with. I'm looking for a container to put the potatoes and the sweet potatoes. It has to be a little bit big. This is pretty. Oh, this is a good size. This is a good size because I want it to be able to air out, you know? Air has to go and flow through. They have this one. The other one's a little bit taller. Oh my God, look at the little Easter eggs. So you have Valentine's, you have St. Patrick's and Easter. You're set. And Mardi Gras. Oh my gosh, you have everything here. Oh my goodness, look at all these ribbons. Now I have to make another project for Easter. Wait until you see how we decorate our homes for Easter. Look at this, it's so beautiful. I don't know what to choose. I love all these colors. This is adorable. Oh, we have to come back. I have to make a decision. What is interesante ser esto? That's really interesting. Oh, you know who would like that, no? Sharon, our neighbor, is obsessed with birds. Thank you for coming with us to Festival Flea Market in Pompano Beach, sunny South Florida. Please give a like, leave a comment, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye!